Oh.
Nadia, how many times have you watched Encanto now?
This is going to be my 8th time.
That is unhealthy.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Nadia, Latifa, and Jian. Today we're going to be testing some sweets.
American sweets.
American sweets.
Latifa, do you want sweets?
So Latifa's there just for sweets today.
No.
That's the only reason you're here, innit?
Fine.
Okay, so we have 2 bags of sweets here.
Give me one bag. Give me that. Yay.
They have the same amount of sweets.
But it's awesome. Okay, I'm going to choose
Okay,
first.
you choose first then.
What is on my list? I want to eat some.
What's that?
This one is Fizz Whiz.
What flavor is that?
Oh yeah, strawberry flavor. Okay, how do you open it?
Yeah, open one.
Wait. Chillax, Rian.
Yeah.
That's
You want
Rian.
to have some?
Rian, take yours before.
Can she even have it?
Yeah. There's no dipping anything inside. Oh, those ones that sound. What flavor is that, Nadia? Because it's strawberry flavor.
Ow.
Please don't put your tongue in.
You like that, Latifa? You like that one? Is it nice? Yes. Oh, it's so cute.
Okay, let's try something else now.
Don't bite it. If you bite it, it becomes like that.
Okay, Latifa, you get to choose now.
Nope.
Latifa, which one do you want to try?
No, this one. Take that.
Which one? Which one? Take a sweet. You want that one?
And eat. Two.
How is it?
It's nice.
Smell it.
Look at that tamarind.
Come on. Who called you, innit?
Here. One gets one bite of everything.
Okay, I get to choose now. I'm gonna choose this.
How I don't have that?
This
That's
is
Tango.
Tango Cherry
Yeah.
I
It's
don't-
different flavor.
Rockers.
Maybe.
This is Tango Popping Candy, but it has a lollipop inside this time. I got cherry, and Nadia got.
Apple.
Okay, let's try it.
Ah,
Is this what the
guys,
lollipop looks like? It's
like.
Oh, that's
Put a thumbs up. Like and subscribe, guys.
let's taste it.
Oh, it's popping.
Is it?
Wait, I need to shake mine. I can't get it popping. This is my favorite one. Kiva, do you want to try it? I'll give it a try.
She's eating that one. It's gonna be blue all over her clothes. You try your clothes blue now? No? You're not gonna be messy? Okay. I believe you. Is it delicious? Is it yummy? It's not yummy. You ever say yes?
Now just your turn. Which one do you want? That one.
What's that?
It's
What is just that one?
Airhead strawberry flavor.
What flavor was that one?
Blueberry.
Oh, blueberry.
Okay, I'm gonna open it. I'm the first one to open it.
Nah, I opened it first.
Look, I even opened it fully, bro. This looks like my tongue.
You taste it then. It tastes like chewing gum.
This one is a little bit sour. That one's not.
This one's better than the other one. Okay, time for you to choose now.
Okay, you
yes,
choose.
the one I choose. I'm going to choose
No.
Mike and Ike's Sour watermelon.
Why did you choose this one, bro? Okay.
Okay, open it. See if it ate mine. It's all wet. This is what it looks like inside. It's green.
Ooh.
How much do we have?
Latifa,
10,000. Okay. All of it.
hey, just one.
Oh. Ew, sour. It tastes nice.
It's actually sour.
You don't like it, Nadia?
I like the flavor, but it's so sour.
It tastes really nice. Never mind, this is my favourite
She
one.
has a funny.
Yeah.
Latifa, you okay? Is it too sour?
You want
Is it too
Just
sour
take
for
another
you?
one.
one? That's my turn.
Okay, choose one.
I was dying to do this.
This one. Okay.
Yeah, let's see if it's Scottish now.
What's that?
This has cherry and blue raspberry
Oh,
in it.
needs help. Needs
It's
help.
tango. It's mixed.
I was taking a tea.
Oh wait, there's two different sides. This side here,
Let's
Yeah.
take this one.
cherry, and this side is blue raspberry. This is what the cherry looks like inside.
Okay.
Did you want some?
Oh.
Did you mix them, Nadia? You don't like them? They're not nice.
It's not nice.
Well, I want to taste the blueberry one. This one's a mess. I think that this is going to taste.
Oh, you mix them.
No.
Mix the
Blueberry
blue ones.
ones.
Then
Has a little bit of
The blue one tastes nice.
poison, Adrian.
Get this away from me. It's disgusting.
It tastes like bamboozle and then that disgusting expired
yeah.
milk one.
Okay, Latifa, it's your turn to choose. Which one do you want? Choose one.
She wants an egg.
She wants this one. And then
Wow.
what is this? This is funky dip.
I have
It's a
this.
sherbet dip.
I have this one. If you guys like these type of videos, then at least give us 50 likes, and then we'll do more.
Latifa.
Guys, look at this. Rian, open yours.
What flavor is that?
Sour. It's apple again.
Sour.
Let me taste it. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, it's so blue inside the packet.
Your tongue is gonna come blue. We should have done like a green and blue challenge.
Next time, show me. How is it? It's nice.
Let me see your tongue. Let me see your tongue. Blue that.
This is greenish blue. That tango one wasn't as bad as the last one. The other one was so disgusting. Nadia, where did all my sweets go?
Latifa took it.
The oil on the floor, I am. Look.
Hey, Latifa. So I choose this.
Oh my god.
Hershey's cookie and cream.
Disgusting, disgusting. Okay, let me taste it. Not good.
Oh my god. Why are you even eating it like that? This is what it looks like on the inside.
Look at the other side. It looks like a rock.
Looks like boba.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's try one.
Sorry, Mama. I just have to ruin it.
How is it? Is it white chocolate?
Yeah,
Yeah.
How does it taste?
it's okay. It's not as good as dairy milk.
It's like Oreo. These little bits are Oreos.
Hey,
No, it's cookies, obviously.
Oh, sorry.
What are you
Oreo.
eating that? Is it yummy?
She has blue tongue. Brianna, stop
she has
saying-
green. Let me see. It's green. I didn't even give it anything green.
Yeah, because she needs blue and green.
Latifa, I think that's a
Hey.
little bit
She's
too much.
hyper and sleepy. How does that work, huh?
So overall, it's okay.
Oh my god, how much do you eat?
What would you like? What would you give it? Like, out of 10?
I'll give it 7 out of 10.
That's not bad then.
I'll give it 100 out of 100.
Nadia, it's your turn to choose.
After this, we're gonna have to brush our teeth.
Yes, it's okay. This is a Tango sherbet shocker. This side's hard because you didn't eat this side. Oh, you can see it's inside of it. I think it's sour or sherbet.
Yeah. Hold on.
It's nice and sour.
Don't get past that. That's in the hand now. Yeah.
You're gonna make her have diabetes.
To sourness. At the end, we're gonna rate every single thing and see which one's our favorite.
That is disgusting.
She wants this like Hershey's cookies and cream egg. It's like the other. So Latifa, this is your choice, so you get to eat it first.
Okay, I'll eat first.
It's a bit too much.
Is it nice?
Looks like normal egg, you know.
Okay, let me try it. I thought it was going to be like a Kinder egg inside.
It's a boiled egg.
But it's just a whole...
Why does it eat that much? Taste it, taste it, taste
How
it.
is it?
I don't know. Yeah, it's better than the other one.
It's my
The big
turn.
bar.
It's Latifa's turn. Latifa.
Latifa, no, Latifa already chose. Yeah, my turn.
No?
I am going to choose a beverage.
I have the same one. And this is
So
yours.
this is Kool-Aid, watermelon, and we're going to add one first. And we already add the water and the sugar inside the pitcher. So we just have to add this, and if we need more, then we'll just add the second bucket.
Let's get a little bit.
We don't talk about Bruno.
It's already pink.
Mix it then.
Mix it. I think it's going to taste very bad.
Let me taste it. Okay, Nadia, let me pour it. Stop it, Latifa. Let me pour it, please.
Yes, Rian.
That's enough for Latifa. Or the Nadia.
That's mine.
Nadia,
Gimme.
here you go.
It's going to make me vomit.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Bismillah.
Say Bismillah. Bismillah.
Is it even in her mouth? Like it? Done to drink it properly.
She's a good girl. Good girl. Okay. Now the whole cup is just gonna come off. She likes. She's coming off.
I like it. It tastes like watermelon a lot. Hey, put your tongue back in.
Do you guys want some?
Tuesdays.
I want this one.
You want that one? Okay, what?
It's not true.
Oh.
Even better. You want?
Tastes like it's going to be chili.
It's apple flavor, isn't it? It's a sour apple flavor. That's the kind of sour we like. I like that one.
This is a good one because it's actually sour. When it says it's sour, it's actually sour.
Nadia, you can't check it. That's how
Did you not chewing gum? Did you not say chewing gum? Or did we just make it up?
It's a tough.
The sourness does not leave. It just keeps on going on. How are you handling this? Nadia?
Latifa picked this one.
Yeah, it's called Mike and Ike, and she already opened it and ate one. So here are the different flavors.
It's a very blast.
There is raspberry, blue raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, and peach berry.
Yeah, she's like,
So which one should we try first, Nadia?
Eeny, meeny.
No, okay, we're
Honey,
going to try blue.
Chill.
You chill. Latifa, give baby some sweets. Give baby some sweets.
Calm down, dude.
What else is this one?
Baby sweets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take one and smack out
This
his hand.
is peach.
Yeah.
Ew. Peach is so
Nadia,
disgusting.
close your mouth, please, when you eat.
It tastes like bitter.
No, it just tastes like peach jam. The purple one.
The blue one.
Purple one's okay.
Yes, we did.
Okay, the pink one.
There's different things.
No, there's just one pink. The best one is the purple one out of both of them. Nadia, which one's your favourite?
Blue one. Wait, the one that you smacked out my hand.
Okay. She's weird. That's the weird one. Okay, now it's my turn. Right. So now it's my turn. I mean, there's nothing else to do. So I have the watermelon and cherry better than Nadia's one. Which one do you have? Which flavour is yours?
My one is strawberry and tropical punch.
Let's see if we can't eat without feeding Hello Baby. I'm going to try cherry first. Cherry doesn't want to come out today. Okay, let's try it. 3. Okay, I guess you don't want to do it with me.
This is raspberry.
That was a mistake.
When you first try it, it's not nice, but then after a bit, it's nice.
Calm down, Nadia.
Okay, this is what the strawberry one
She's
looks
waiting
like.
for you. She's waiting.
It looks like the raspberry one. Okay. It still has the same starting place, like leaves.
Haha.
Do you like them, Nadia?
Aha.
I like the cherry one better. Let's try the apple. Hey. This is the blue raspberry one. This is the green
She
apple.
took my seat.
Okay, so
Charlie bit my finger. Give me.
the green apple one is the best one.
Look. You spilled all of mine.
Okay, now we're gonna rate the sweets. This is how I think it should go from the best one to the worst one. So yeah. Now, did you agree with it?
No, I want this one to go first. And this one go last. It's sour. And this one. If you guys like these videos, then at least give us 50 likes, subscribes as well, and we'll do another video.
Don't forget to watch their TikToks at Nadia and Latifa. And they post their media every day.
Thanks for watching. Bye.